Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. This week I'm going to show you some acupressure points for ankle sprain. But first, wait until the swelling is gone if the ankle is swollen by resting and icing. The first one is in the depression between the outer ankle bone and Achilles tendon. This is called bladder 60 or BL60. The next one is the depression below the outer ankle bone. Go down and forward a little, and it's outside of the tendon that shows when you turn up your foot on the pinky side. This is called gallbladder 40 or GB40. The next one is in the front center of the ankle. It's between the two tendons that are prominent when you flex your ankle. This is called stomach 41 or ST41. The next one is on the top of the foot. Follow the valley between the fourth toe and pinky toe. It's where the bones meet. This is called gallbladder 41 or GB41. The last one is in the depression below the inner ankle bone, one thumb width from the top of the inner ankle bone. This is called kidney 6 or K6. Press these points for 1 minute as you breathe deeply. I grew up in Japan playing tennis, and one time I sprained my ankle, and my mother took me to an acupuncturist, and the doctor saw my ankle swollen, and he said, "Oh, let's get the bad blood out." And he put a small incision on my pinky toe, and I think it was right next to the outside edge of the pinky toenail. And he squeezed the blood out, and I don't remember how he did it. But after that, my ankle swelling was reduced, and I was very impressed. I don't recommend cutting your pinky toe yourself, but maybe you can contact your acupuncturist and they can help too. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe.